That was beautiful. This is a K&F Concept M42 mount to Nikon Z-mount lens adapter. This is a Nikon Z-62 mirrorless camera Z-mount. This is a Mamiya Secor f2 50mm lens M42 screw mount. Wouldn't it be cool if we could put these two things together? Now we can. Let's check it out. That is weighty. Appears to be made of aluminum and steel. A steel screw mount connection there. And I think that's a steel, could be aluminum, Z-mount there. Notice there are no connections. So there's no aperture control, and there's no automatic aperture control. There's no autofocus either, but that's okay because none of the M42 mount lenses available are autofocus anyway, as far as I know. They're screw mount. These are sort of 1968 vintage. This is the original lens off of my father's Mamiya Secor 500 DTL 35mm film camera. Let's try it out. So that screws in nicely. And then if we put it over here, that was beautiful. That is a well-machined adapter. It fit very smoothly. Comes off easily. Secure. Look at that. That's impressive. And now we should be able to adjust the aperture in here on the lens. And yes, you can see it. There you go. So it's a fully manual adjusting aperture and focus. Let's try some video with it and see what it does. And here we are on the Nikon Z-62 with the Mamiya 50mm f2 lens at f2. This is at arm's length, which is a little bit too close for a 50. As long as I don't move too much, I should stay in focus, right? Out of focus there. In focus there. Out of focus there again. F2 is pretty fast. Just for comparison purposes, let's have a look at how this same exact scene looks on my Sony A5100 with a 20mm f2.8. That's an APS-C camera, so it is approximately 30mm equivalent focal length, slightly wider than this 50. Let's see what it looks like. There it is. I have to get really close to it to get the same image size as I do on the Nikon. I don't know, I think that's a pretty impressive lens personally. Check that out. Anyway, that's the K&F Concept M42 mount to Nikon Z-mount lens adapter for manual focus, manual aperture control of lenses, very old lenses like this 1968 Mamiya Secor lens. I'm gonna have fun with it. Check it out. If you've got a Nikon, mirrorless Nikon, and you like old cameras, check this thing out. It'll get you some more life out of your old lenses. Take care.